yaye Rigathi Gachagua tugetuske muto mwanchi mwiri ase bono abanyanyimbo gose abamanyi igoro yobonchereria abwerire nigo baene kiribu na onye serikali teri gochia koigeka obunyamasi bwaye asamangana ayebintu biri bitwetanene nigense ya Kenya irachikwenyora asakongu bosio matuko ari mutwe kokwana haigemi muchi o Nairobi omo director abwe kiombe kiria gya KDC nora ratemo nigo ene kiribu na Eserekari nigo ebwendete gokora amonchereri anene ase okurwania AMARIOKI ya GOSOKIA anech company ao aigemeye ense ya Kenya aya niga kwandwe asomoyega gogochakia omoroberio o products and service launch as well as the supplementary and green financial strategy aiga imemochi Nairobi.
That qualify for green financing are projects that are already green, projects that are looking to go green, so projects that are looking to for innovative or more modern manufacturing equipment that is not emitting into the environment, projects that are also compliant with ESG. Remember that when we talk about sustainability, we're just not talking about also the environment, we're also looking at how sustainable you are. So these are projects that are going to qualify for this financing. We shall be helping businesses also comply and develop this. Equally on the green space, now we are going to support all sectors. So look at it as with us looking at the climate change. So now all are affecting the climate in a way. So to Kenyans, again, this financing will be important because we shall be looking at businesses doing responsible investment. So you reducing your carbon emission to the market. So this is cutting across sectors, even the livestock sector. Those who are looking at environmental, innovative projects, we shall be supporting that. Green buildings is also a space we're looking at. So we're looking at waste management, we're looking at green buildings, we're looking at the circular economy. So we're looking at all that space within the green space. Currently, we've brought it down to 5 million, and what we are doing, we had the wholesale financing product, and with the wholesale financing product, we are going to extend financing to microfinance institutions, to SACCOs, and that is why PS Cooperatives is here, because it's a critical stakeholder. So we're working with the SACCOs, we're also working with microfinance institutions where we wholesale and give them concessional financing, so then they're able to support the bottom wananchi, the ones who are doing the small businesses who need 100,000, 200,000, they'll be able to access these facilities, but through our wholesale financing products. Yes.
Thank you. Climate-related shocks continue to reduce national productivity, with estimates showing that climate change costs Kenya between 3 to 5% of GDP every year. Building resilience is therefore no longer optional. It is central to sustaining economic growth and protecting livelihoods. It is for this reason that the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, has consistently positioned climate action and green industrialization as central pillars of the